Welcome to today's tutorial. We'll show you how to install the Lanoptik All-in-One Smart Camera on your Nikon Ts2 microscope. Step 1. Mount the smart camera. Remove the camera cover. Attach the camera to the microscope. And tighten the 3 screws with a 2.5mm Allen key. Step 2. Install the HD display. Use a 3mm Allen key to connect the lever arm and display. Then attach the display to the microscope. The camera can be installed on either the left or right side, depending on your preference. Step 3. Connect the power supply. Use a USB cable to power the camera. Connect the Ethernet cable for data transfer. Attach the power cables for the microscope and the display. Now we have got the camera installed on the Nikon Ts2 microscope. Simply turn on the microscope and the camera. This all-in-one smart camera features a 15.6-inch Full HD screen, clear imaging, ergonomic design, and a double hinge that folds 90 degrees for space saving and easy management. Dual USB ports support a mouse, keyboard, SD card, and other external storage devices, making camera apps easy to use. The camera software offers features such as auto exposure, auto white balance, camera parameter adjustment, extended depth of field, image stitching, and more. It also supports 3 modes: biological, industrial, and fluorescent microscopes, ensuring high color accuracy and precise imaging. Step 4. Connect to Wi-Fi. Download the Copar Wi-Fi Lab app and scan the QR code to connect. You can then easily send files to your phone with one click. Choose a picture or video and send it to your phone with a single click. Then, open and view the file on your phone. The camera also supports connection to iPads, mobile phones, and other smart devices via Wi-Fi. We offer 3 camera solutions for the Nikon Ts2 microscope, all using the same mounting. Please refer to this video for mounting. Let's review all the steps. By following these instructions, we can ensure that you obtain live images from the microscope camera within 5 minutes. Thank you for your attention.